Chicago Caribbean Festival. And I'm here with Ali Crawford. How are you doing today?
I'm good, sir.
So what role do you play in the organization
For this specific event? Well, this event I put on by myself because I'm on the Carnival committee, but we couldn't do the Carnival this year due to funds. So I just decided to put on something for my community so that we can keep this Carnival Day active.
Oh, so it's not the committee doing it, it's you?
Yes, it's me doing it. You know, just so that we can keep this weekend because we always do the third Saturday in August.
Right.
And this is the third Saturday now, so we just go by that. And we want to save it. We don't want nobody to take the weekend.
Absolutely. All right. So the audience, where are you from? And
I'm from Belize. I do have another job, but I run independent labor promotions. I'm also on the Chicago Carnival committee. I'm also on the Black Heroes committee, and we were very instrumental in changing the name of Lakeshore Drive a couple of weeks ago to the Sable Drive. Yes, and we went to City Hall. We have a little meeting, and we fought with this alderman, that alderman, the mayor, until we got it done.
You got it done. That's great. That's great achievement.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
So you can have an interview with an artist as soon as he's done. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, we're live at the Chicago Caribbean Carnival. I'm here with one and only Bill Marshall. What's up, man?
Oh man, everything, Randolph. Everything is good. It's good to be back out among people. You know, everything was shut down for a while, and now we're trying to get things back to kind of normal for a minute.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So what you going to be doing in the future? I mean, near future.
Man, we got some things coming up. We're going to come back out to the conference 2.0. You know me, always got to come back to you.
Check that out. Check that out.
I don't want to work as hard as I used to. But back in the day, we used to work hard.
Hard, real hard, man. So we got
like somebody was saying.
Yeah.
But we got things coming. You know, anytime we come with something, it's going to be quality over quantity.
Absolutely.
It's going to be some foundation. There's so much things going on now in the music business.
Hey.
We're dealing with quality back. So look for some good things.
The one and only Field Marshall.
Yeah, live and
Chicago
direct.
Caribbean Carnival.
Respect every time.
Okay, we're live here at the Chicago Caribbean Carnival 2021. And I'm here with Ms.
Paula Matthews. I make sea moss gel for your health. It's great for the immune system. It gets rid of mucus out of your body. It cleanses your colon, helps you lose weight, suppress your appetite, gets rid of joint pain, and it helps with eczema and so many other benefits. It has 92 minerals for your health. So it's good for everybody.
What is it called? Sea moss?
Sea moss gel.
Sea moss gel.
Yes.
Okay.
I also have dried sea moss for people to make their own.
Okay.
And I make these beautiful face shields for your protection.
All right. So if someone is not out here and they want to get in touch with you, do you have like a website or a phone number?
I'm on Facebook. I have a Facebook page called Caribbean Natural Health, or my name is Paula Matthews, and I'm on Facebook. But my phone number also is on the jar and on the card if you want to take a card. That's 908-265-0992. Again, the number is 908-265-0992, and I deliver within the Chicagoland. So I make it every day fresh so that people have fresh, and it's made from purple sea moss gel, which is from St. Lucia, and it has more antioxidants than the sea moss that is yellow or gold. So the purple is the highest quality.
Great. Thank you, Ms. Paula.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right, we're live at the Chicago Caribbean Carnival Festival. We're here with my man. How you doing, man?
All right, Ja Will.
Pick up pictures every time. So what do you do? What you got here?
I got a lot of Caribbean stuff, man, that you probably can't find nowhere. I have a location. I'm located at 332 East 75th. I have two locations. They're right next to each other.
Okay.
I have a snack shop too that I sell like a lot of snacks from Jamaica, from the Caribbean, stuff like that. I've been in business for 9 years now.
9 years.
Yeah.
How's business do?
Business is going because I'm still open. A lot of people is closed right now.
Because of the pandemic, you kind of held up.
Oh yeah. I still end up, man, thanks to the grace of God, man, you know what I'm saying? We're still here, we're still doing it. People still look forward for us to be here, because you know what I'm saying? We have stuff that they can't get nowhere.
Absolutely,
they depend on us.
I see you got the Belize flag, you got Jamaican flag, you got, what is it, Panama? No, this is
and then they got all the Caribbean islands you could think of, even at least one stuff from any Caribbean island you could think of. I have it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So if somebody's not out here and they want to get in touch with you, you got like a phone number, an email, a website, you know, they could link you up and come to your store?
Yeah, simple. My store is really, really easy to find. It's on 75th and Calumet. It's 332 East 75th. I have two locations. It's 332 and 330. They're right next to each other. If you guys familiar with Brown Sugar Bakery, I'm right next to Brown Sugar Bakery. You know what I'm saying? Black-owned bakery, that's everybody known. I'm right there. You can find me, grab anything you want. Only days I don't open is Sundays and Mondays. Okay, so Tuesday to Saturday I'm there. Okay, from 12 o'clock to 8 p.m.
Got you.
Yes, sir.
Y'all will. Pick up yourself, man.
All right, much love.
Yes,
appreciate it.
Every time. We're here with Cherie. How you doing today, Cherie?
I'm good.
Okay, so what do we have here at the stall here?
We have a women's clothing boutique, store Gal Boutique. We have many different cute, colorful clothes. Very comfortable, very good material. That's the key. Yes, you can go on Instagram at RateYalB3. You can go on Facebook at Facebook Boutique. I mean at RateYal Boutique on Facebook. You can contact us. Let me see. My phone number is 312-210-4781. Check us out there.
All right.
Also, the stores will be ready, storefront in a month time.
All right. Thank you, Cherie. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Walls Beauty.
Walls Beauty, how you doing today?
I'm fine. Really excited, enjoying myself today.
Beautiful. So what we got here?
We have all organic, vegan, therapeutic aromatherapy products, and you can get them customized to your needs as well.
Okay. And so if they want somebody that's not here want to get in touch with you, you got like a email, a website, email,
yes,
phone number?
They can go to wallsbeauty.com. You can go wallsbeauty.com Facebook, or you can go wallsbeauty.com at gmail.com. And you can inbox me or email me and let me know what's your specific needs, because I do customize. I am an esthetician, went to school for it, so I'm a professional at what I do. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much.
And I'm here with the one and only Problem Child. How you doing, man?
Everything's good. Everything's good.
Okay, you did a wonderful performance there just a while ago, man.
Thank you very much. My pleasure to be here.
So how long you been in the music business?
Oh man, as far back as I could remember, it just got professional after a while, but I've been always doing music, loving music, writing and recording. I just started taking it seriously, I would say from about probably like 2005. So
you're doing straight soca?
No, not really. That's just the genre that has accepted me, but I do a vast majority of different genres of music.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from St. Vincent, but I live in Brooklyn, New York.
Big time, each and every time. So what do you want to tell the people, man?
Just thanks for having me, you know. It was a great audience. I had a splendid time. The performance was intense, it was crazy. I love all the children that are here. Keep spreading the word of soca music and the culture, and everybody be good and be safe.
What you got for the future coming up next?
Oh, I got a ton of releases, a lot of projects. I'm always working. If I'm not performing, I'm creating.
Somebody want to check your music? Is it on YouTube or what?
Oh, Problem Child on YouTube, all the platforms. I'm Real Problem Child on Instagram. Just search me on Spotify, iTunes, wherever.
Big respect, man, each and every time. Thanks
for having me. Thank you very much.
Man.
Be good,
all
be
right.
safe.
Change behavior. You like this, like this. Crazy people. Powder and flour, you need it. Mess it up. Dirty up. Jump. One set of crazy people jumping up in the van. All kind of different things they have in their hand. They jumping up and down, they don't give a damn. Carrying on like them is a hooligan. Chicago mash up everything like we have insurance. And tear down everything like we have insurance. We will shell out everything like we have insurance. Hey, you're not tired and you still have energy. Put your hands in there and jump up. We will mash it up on my back. Tear down and build back. Mash it up on my back. Tear down and build back. Mash it up on my back. Tear down and build back. Mash it up on my back. you with. Take cameras in the play. We don't handle behavior. Start to dance in the play. Fuck it up with the powder. Take cameras in the play. We don't handle behavior. Start to dance in the play. Anyway, we go to the Somebody say yeah, yeah.